Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that can elevate your cooking experience, the Garlic Twister 4th Gen. We discovered this gem online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Garlic Twister is an innovative tool that combines the functions of a garlic mincer and a garlic press into one versatile design. This handy kitchen companion is perfect for anyone who loves cooking with fresh ingredients, particularly garlic, ginger, herbs, and even nuts. With its patented design, this product is made in the USA, ensuring premium quality and durability. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that make the Garlic Twister stand out. First off, it's multifunctional. You can chop, crush, and mince garlic, ginger, and herbs with ease. It's especially effective for mincing garlic and ginger, and you can also use it for herbs like basil, rosemary, and thyme. The ability to handle multiple ingredients makes it an all-in-one solution for your food preparation needs. Another great feature is its ease of use. The Garlic Twister allows you to smash the garlic clove, which helps loosen the skin for easy peeling. This small step not only saves time but also softens the clove, making the twisting process incredibly effortless. Once you've prepped your garlic, you simply twist it side to side, which forms neatly packed triangles for easy cleanup and removal. This design eliminates the need for messy garlic press alternatives that can be tricky to clean. When it comes to efficient mincing, the Garlic Twister shines. You can place 2 to 3 cloves inside the grater and twist progressively to create finely minced bits. The result is a flavorful mix of garlic juices and minced garlic in just seconds. It's perfect for those who want to infuse their dishes with robust flavors without spending too much time on preparation. One of the remarkable aspects of the Garlic Twister is its versatility. Beyond garlic and ginger, you can use it for grinding nuts, which is a delightful feature for those who enjoy baking or making their own nut-based spreads. Whether you're preparing a stir-fry, a fresh herb salad, or a nut-based pesto, this tool will quickly become your go-to kitchen companion. The Garlic Twister is also ideal for anyone who appreciates home cooking, whether you're an experienced chef or just starting out. If you enjoy making flavorful dishes from scratch, this gadget will simplify your prep work and help you achieve delicious results. However, it's worth noting that if you have wrist arthritis, you may find this product requires a bit more effort to use. Be sure to consider this if you're looking for a kitchen tool that is comfortable for your needs. In practical use cases, the Garlic Twister is perfect for quick weeknight dinners. Imagine coming home after a long day, and instead of spending time chopping garlic by hand, you can just pop a few cloves into the Garlic Twister. In seconds, you'll have perfectly minced garlic ready to toss into your sauté pan. It's also great for meal prepping, allowing you to prepare ingredients ahead of time, which makes cooking during the week a breeze. In summary, the Garlic Twister 4th Gen is a must-have tool for anyone who loves cooking with fresh ingredients. Its multifunctional design, ease of use, and efficient mincing capabilities make it a standout choice in the kitchen. Plus, its ability to handle a variety of ingredients adds to its convenience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.